Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 DSLR cameras for beginners available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And so, here are the top 5 best beginner DSLR cameras. The fifth product on our list is the Pentax K-70. Pentax is known for providing its entry-level SLR cameras with features reserved for premium models, and Pentax K-70 is no exception. This DSLR camera is compact and solid built. Available in black and silver, it measures 3.7 by 4.9 by 2.9 inches and weighs about 1.5 pounds. It is dust-proof, weather-resistant, and cold-resistant, down to -50 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for outdoor photography. K-70 is a compact APS-C DSLR camera with a 24.2 megapixel, a CMOS sensor, and a 1080p video capture. It is a good all-rounder that can take on a much more comprehensive range of photographic subjects. It comes with a sensor shift system that allows it to use features like its unique AA filter simulator, pixel shift resolution, motion correction, and Astro Tracer feature. The camera has a native ISO range of 100 to 102,400 and a maximum shutter speed of 1/6000th of a second. It is only of average quality, but Pentax backs it up with a new hybrid autofocus system for its live view mode. K-70 only has a maximum continuous shooting speed of 6 FPS burst shooting too, so it may not work great for action photography. However, it has a good optical viewfinder and a lot of digital imaging tools. Shooting with K-70 is a pleasant experience, and it provides good color reproduction. Unfortunately, its 18 to 135mm lens could be a lot better, so you will need a better lens to get the results you want. Its pros are: the Pentax K-70 is compact and rugged. It comes with a hybrid live view autofocus, and it has an innovative anti-shake tech. However, the cons are: the kit lens has poor performance. It comes with relatively few autofocus points, and it relies heavily on the interactive display. Despite these advantages, Pentax K-70 is a good beginner's DSLR camera that delivers good value for the money. It has great features like the hybrid live view autofocus system that are enough to keep you occupied for a while. Up next in the fourth place is the Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is the successor of the renowned Canon EOS 80D. This device possesses DSLR's traditional strengths like good handling, long battery life, and optical viewfinder. However, it comes with innovative specs. For one, it has a new sensor that provides a huge 32.5 megapixels APS-C sensor and Canon's latest imaging engine. The 90D is both user-friendly and budget-friendly, so it is ideal for beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike. Physically, it does not look different from the 80D, but it provides the highest resolution among all crop sensor cameras. It enables you to capture more details while having enough room to crop images during post-processing. You can zoom into your subject without losing image quality. This camera also has the Digic 8 image processor that allows it to shoot 4K videos. Moreover, the processor provides the camera with a native ISO range of 100 to 25,600 that is expandable to 51,200. The 90D shares the 80D's 45-point cross-type autofocus system, but it is equipped with a 2200,000 pixel RGB and IR metering sensor that adds a face detection feature. Meanwhile, the live view utilizes the dual pixel CMOS autofocus, and it covers almost the whole frame with 5,481 autofocus points. Finally, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to your mobile devices to transfer the photos and post them on your social media right away. Your feed will be filled with high-quality images with plenty of details. Its pros are: the Canon EOS 90D is equipped with a high-res image sensor. It can capture uncropped 4K 30p videos. It is designed with an ergonomic grip, and it has an 8-way joystick that allows you to choose autofocus points easily. However, the cons are: it does not have image stabilization, and its default JPEG noise reduction level is insufficient. The Canon EOS 90D is a great DSLR camera for beginners. It comes with a lot of features as well as smooth performance and high quality output. Still haven't found a camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is specifically designed for beginners who are intending to grow up from their point-and-shoot photography. It has all the traditional DSLR strengths, like the impressive battery life and great handling. Even though there are many entry-level DSLR cameras with more advanced features, none of them can come up to par with the D3500's 1550-shot battery life. It also has a guide mode that provides a walkthrough on how to create specific effects. It allows beginners to gain an understanding of the manual settings, among many other things. D3500 comes with a 24.2 megapixel sensor that delivers high-quality results, especially when used with the right lens. It is paired with a new APS-C size sensor with an optical low-pass filter that enhances image quality. D3500 cannot capture 4K videos, but to compensate, it has full HD video capture at a smooth 60, 30, and 24p resolutions. This camera also does not have touchscreen functionality. Its optical viewfinder offers a coverage of 95%. It is nice and clear and can deliver good color accuracy. Meanwhile, the device has an 11-point multicam 1000 autofocus system that works great with general shooting, even for some moving objects. If you want to use the camera's rear display, you can do so using its live focus. You may think that there are not many features, but it provides a great image quality. Its sensor can produce clear images with excellent detail. Its pros are: the image quality is excellent. It has a fantastic 1550-shot battery life. You can learn all the ropes with its handy guide mode. It is compact, and it is easy to use. However, the cons are: it cannot capture 4K videos, it has no touchscreen control, and it only has Bluetooth connectivity. If you want to start learning how to do manual photography, you can trust Nikon D3500 to provide you all the guidance you need. It has all the traditional hallmarks of DSLRs combined that beginners should experience. The second product on our list is the Canon EOS T7i. The Canon EOS T7i may be old, but it is still considered as a top entry-level DSLR. It was released back in 2017 as an update to the classic EOS T6i. This camera combines the conventional hallmarks of a Canon DSLR and some cutting-edge specs, like the 6 frames per second burst mode and 3-inch fully articulated touchscreen. It also offers an optical viewfinder and handling of a larger DSLR that its mirrorless counterparts cannot provide. It comes with a 24.2 megapixel resolution with an overhauled APS-C CMOS sensor. The updated sensor is paired with a Digic 7 image processor that allows the device to produce superior high ISO noise performance and autofocus. It also has a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 25600, with a high setting equivalent to ISO 51200. All these allow T7i to produce clean images with pleasing color rendition. T7i also updated the old 19-point phase detect autofocus system by bringing the coverage up to 45 points that are all cross-type for a more accurate autofocus. Another notable feature is that this camera comes with Canon's dual-pixel autofocus for live view photography and capture. Together, the device can deliver smooth and fast focusing. Unfortunately, it only offers full HD video capture. However, it can do it up to 60p with the camera's 5-axis image stabilization system for shooting handheld footage. It is designed to counter unwanted camera shakes. Its pros are: it has a user-friendly interface. It comes with excellent touchscreen control. Its live view autofocus performance is amazing. and it produces impressive overall image quality. However, the cons are: it does not capture 4K videos. It is made with a plastic finish. The dynamic range could be improved, and it only has 95% viewfinder coverage. Just because Canon T7i is already considered old, it does not mean that it already falls short compared to the other entry-level DSLR cameras. It still delivers a solid performance that suits beginners who are intending to upgrade their photography skills. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top beginners DSLR camera is the Nikon D5600. Replacing the D5500, the Nikon D5600 is one of the brand's entry-level DSLR cameras that give users more features and greater creative control. There is no major upgrade with the D5600 though. Still, it now includes Nikon's Snap Bridge technology that enables easy and automatic transfer of images from the camera to smart devices. It comes with a 24.2 megapixel resolution and an APS-C-sized CMOS sensor, similar to the D5500. It is also using the same Xpeed 5 image processor with a native sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 25600. That means it produces great images with impressive detail. The optical viewfinder has 95% coverage and a 3.2-inch touchscreen display with a 1,037,000 dot resolution. It is still present with D5500, but its operation has been improved in D5600, as it already provides a frame advance bar to speed up toggling through images and a crop function that can be used during playback. D5600 has Nikon's time-lapse movie function that can be found on more advanced Nikon cameras. However, it sticks to providing 1080p video capture while most DSLR cameras now have 4K video capture as standard. This camera comes with Nikon's signature 39-point multicam 4800DX autofocus system. It may be starting to get old as other cameras offer more autofocus points, but it is still a solid and accurate system when shooting with the viewfinder. Its pros are: the Nikon 5600 produces excellent image quality. It is designed with a comfortable hand grip. It has a decent autofocus system, and it comes with a touchscreen interface. However, the cons are: Nikon could improve its Snap Bridge technology. It only offers 1080p video, and it is expensive compared to other beginners DSLR cameras. Nikon D5600 is a quality advanced entry-level DSLR camera. It is a well-rounded device that has everything that beginners will need. There you have it, top 5 beginners DSLR cameras on the market today. If you found the camera on our list that meets your needs and budget, click the links in the description box and catch it at its best price. We are also always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if there is a product you have in mind that would love us to review, comment below in the comment section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Techs You Can't Live Without channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.